Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix any storage problems you might be having with Google Photos. So let's get right into it. I'll explain in broad terms, in terms that apply to pretty much all platforms which you might be using, whether it's mobile devices with Android or iOS, or it's computers or PCs, other machines, whatever it is. Now, if you're having problems, there might be two types of problems. One is client-side, meaning the problem is with your application, and the other is with Google, which is a server-side issue, in which case there is no solution. But if you're having any problems, usually the main problem is if your storage is full. You can fix it very easily, but I'll be going over these instructions and allow you to see how you can fix your problems. Now, to fix your problems, of course, you just need to go into the app, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. And once you're there, to check your storage, you just need to click or tap on your profile picture, go into photo settings, go into backup, and then go into manage storage. And at the top, you'll find an estimate of how long it will take to fill your storage. Now, if your storage is filled up, you can either clean it up. You just need to, again, go into your app, log into your account, go into your profile, go into manage storage through backup, and then under review and delete, you can select any category and then tap select. Then you can select the items that you want to delete and then tap move to trash, and then you can delete the photos completely. Now, some photos do save space when deleted. If you delete a photo that saves storage space in your account, you may get an estimate of the storage which you recover. And if you don't want to clean anything up and you don't want to delete photos, there is a way to buy more storage, and you can do this by going into the app, again, logging into your account, going into your profile, going into backup, and then going into buy storage. And then from there, you can select a storage plan, and then you just add or select your payment method and tap subscribe, and then you can upgrade to a subscription which has the amount of storage which you want. Now, this is pretty much the same for iOS. For PC, it is a bit different. You just have to locate where you can buy the storage. Usually it is in the menu at the side. You will be able to see it, and you can just list through your photos and delete them very easily by clicking the more options button next to a photo, or right clicking it and clicking delete, and then that should be it. However, they might go into your trash can, and you just need to go there and delete the photos completely and permanently if you want that space or that storage to return to you. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.